Welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw the Grinch. So first let's get started in the center with the nose, and we're going to draw in a sideways oval. Coming down, we're going to draw in a straight line directly in the middle. And then coming up, we're just going to draw in a small straight line right in the center. Let's draw in the eyebrows here. So we're going to, on the right-hand side, curve this line down, up, and over. We're going to flip across on the left-hand side, replicating that. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to start on this line, curving this up and across towards the right. We're going to do the same thing on the left. Now from that edge, we're going to curve this line in towards the middle. Again, from the middle here, curving this up and across towards the top. And then now from here, we're going to curve this down, over, and in towards the center. Let's move underneath for the eye. We're going to draw in a nice big half circle. Moving in towards the corner, we're going to replicate that again for the pupil. Now in the corner, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight. And then we're just going to color in that pupil black. Now coming underneath the eye, we're going to curve this line around, down and in, blending that together. We're going to do the same thing on the right, bringing that in. And then underneath, to add a small detailed line, we're just going to curve that line over. Let's move across for the mouth. So we're going to draw in the corner bracket on the left and right hand side. Let's join this together now. We're going to draw in a nice big curved line coming all the way through and up on the right. And then directly underneath, just another small curved line from left to right. Let's close off the top of the Santa hat here. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to do the same on the right. Moving across, we're going to curve this line around and in. Now from here, we're going to curve this up and through towards the middle. And then again, curving this around and through towards the center. On the right-hand side, let's curve this line over and in. And then on the right, curving that line across. Now from that point, we're going to bring this line up and in on a diagonal. And then again, starting back on that line, we're going to curve this around and then down on the left. Let's close off the bottom of the Santa hat here, the pom-poms. So we're just going to curve this around and in towards the middle. Starting from the middle, curving that around through. Again, arching that around, back up. Then we're going to curve that in towards the hat. And then moving in behind is arching that through towards the middle. Let's close off the head. So underneath the hat, we're going to come out, curving that line across on both sides. Let's step in. We're going to curve this line out from that point, bringing that back through. Let's come down. So from that corner again, curving this in and then back up. And then again, curving that in towards the middle and back up. Now from here, we're just going to curve this line in towards the center, leaving a gap in the middle. Let's close off the Grinch's neck now. So we're going to curve this line up and in on both sides. Again from here, curving this down and back in towards the center. And then again, just curving this down towards the middle. And that is it. That's how you draw the Grinch. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.